Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Namecheap domain for Shopify step by step clearly. To begin the process of registering a domain with Namecheap for your Shopify store, first, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Namecheap website by typing in www.namecheap.com and hitting enter. Once the home page loads, locate the search bar prominently displayed at the top of the screen. Type in your desired domain name in the search bar. Hit the search button to check the availability of the domain. If your domain name is available, you'll see a confirmation message along with the price. If it's not available, consider selecting one of the alternative suggestions provided. When you find an available domain name you like, click the Add to Cart button next to it. Next, review your cart to ensure you have the correct domain. You will see options for additional features like domain privacy protection. Consider adding these features for added security and anonymity. After reviewing your selection, click on the View Cart button. On the cart page, you may need to create an account or log in if you already have one. Fill in the required information to create your Namecheap account if you are a new user. Once logged in, verify that your domain and any additional features are still correct. Proceed by clicking on the Checkout button. Enter your payment information as prompted. Select your preferred payment method and enter any necessary details. After confirming your payment information, review your order one last time. Finally, click on the Pay Now or Complete Order button to finalize your domain registration. You will receive a confirmation email from Namecheap once your payment is processed. Now, you need to log into your Shopify account. Go to the Shopify admin panel and select Online Store, then Domains. Choose the option to Connect Existing Domain or Transfer Domain. Follow Shopify's prompts to authenticate your domain. Check for any required DNS settings or adjustments needed on the Namecheap side. Navigate back to the Namecheap website and log into your account. Go to the domain list from your account dashboard. Locate your newly registered domain and click the Manage button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.